In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save queries on Perplexity AI for later use. Even though this is a simple workflow, I'll walk you through it carefully and share a few helpful tips so you can come back to your research anytime without losing your place. First, make sure you're signed in to your Perplexity account. Being signed in ensures that your experience is consistent across sessions and that the links you keep track of open correctly when you return. Once you're in, use Perplexity as you normally would. Type your question, review the response, and explore any follow-up results or sources that appear on the page. Now, here's the key point. At the moment, Perplexity does not include a built-in feature to save queries for later use. There isn't a native save button or library of saved searches. The reliable workaround is to use your web browser's bookmarking tool to save the page you're on. Because each Perplexity result or conversation loads on its own unique page, bookmarking that page preserves a direct link back to it. When you're viewing a result you want to keep, look for the three dots menu in your browser. This is typically at the top right of the window on desktop browsers, and on mobile it may appear in the browser's menu bar or under a share icon. Click the three dots, then choose Add Bookmark. Your browser will confirm that the page has been saved. While you're adding the bookmark, it helps to give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, like the question you asked or the topic you were researching. If your browser prompts you to choose a location, place it wherever you usually keep quick access links so it's easy to find next time. Once saved, the bookmark acts as a shortcut straight back to the same Perplexity page, letting you resume your reading, revisit the sources, or continue the conversation. When you want to return to the query, open your browser's bookmarks and select the one you saved. The page will load with the same content you saw before. If you're on a different device, make sure you're signed in to both your browser and your Perplexity account so everything opens as expected. That's all there is to it. Until Perplexity adds a native save feature, bookmarking the page you're on is the simplest, most dependable way to keep your queries handy for later.